In InfraStress, DFSL will have sensors in STPD1, STPD2, and STPD3. In STPD1, we will have for 2D LiDAR-based surveillance, perimeter laser sensor PLS and laser fence sensor LFS. For STPD2, that is mini drone detection and neutralization, we will have 2D mini drone detector, 3D mini drone detector, flying hunter type B, and also we will have flying watcher, which is not for mini drone detection and mini drone neutralization, but it is for aerial surveillance of ground. In STPD3, we will have non-authorized people detector. These sensors will be used and demonstrated in different pilots. PLS will be demonstrated at Pilot 1, Motor Oil, Greece, Pilot 3, Karma, Italy, Pilot 4, Petrol and Luka in Slovenia. LFS will be demonstrated at, again, Pilot 1, Pilot 3, and Pilot 4. 2D mini drone detection will be demonstrated at Pilot 1 and Pilot 4. 3D mini drone detection will be demonstrated at Pilot 4. Flying watcher will be demonstrated at Pilot 1. Non-authorized people detection will be demonstrated at Pilot 3. However, flying hunter type B will be demonstrated at DFSL's site in Israel. Perimeter laser sensor PLS. These are the two pictures of PLS which will be used in InfraStress.
60-meter range and 200 degrees of detection will be used for intrusion detection at Pilot 1, 3, and 4. PLS can be deployed vertically or horizontally. It will have a slaved PTZ camera for tracking and recording the intruder.
Laser fence sensor LFS will be used for detection of objects thrown above the wall.
60-meter and 100 degrees of detection will be used for detection of objects thrown off the walls at pilots 1, 3, and 4.
Mini drone detector will be used for detection of intruding mini drones at the pilot site.
2D MND creates a vertical laser screen. Any drone crossing it is detected. This will be demonstrated at pilots 1 and 4.
3D mini drone detector is for detection of mini drones. This has a much more capability than 2D mini drone detector. This creates a hemispherical laser dome, a cupola, and mini drones, intruding mini drones entering into that cupola from any direction is detected and tracked. This can detect and track 16 simultaneous targets at a time.
It creates a laser semi-spherical dome of 250 meter and radius in 360 degrees as a cupola. Any drone entering a cupola is detected and tracked by slaved PTZ camera. This sensor can detect 16 targets simultaneously and track them. This will be demonstrated.
Flying hunter type B. Flying hunter type B is for neutralization of intruding mini drones, and it is based on a drone which has got an underbelly net and which also has onboard jammer. Its task is to fly to the intruding drone and either neutralize it by using onboard jammer or use the underbelly net to catch the drone and bring the drone back to a pre-designated location. Intruder is detected and tracked by 3D MND. Then 3D MND automatically gives the coordinates of the intruder to the flying hunter B. Flying hunter gets ready to take off. Flying hunter follows the transmitted trajectory and flies towards the intruder drone. It uses onboard stabilized camera to locate the intruder. It catches the intruder in the camera and flies towards it. Then the flying hunter hunts the intruder. It follows the intruder and catches it with the underbelly net and brings it to the pre-designated area. And the drone is brought to the pre-designated area and it is dropped on the ground. This way, a lot of analysis can be done for studying the intruder drone's intentions. After dropping the drone, the flying hunter goes back to the launch pad for next action. This shows the picture of 2D MND, which has been already explained earlier. And the flying hunter drone, it's a physical make. It can fly at the speed of 110 meters per hour. Flying Watcher. Although Flying Watcher is in STPD2, Flying Watcher is not for detection or neutralization of intruding drone. Flying Watcher is a drone, a mini drone, which is connected, tethered to the mobile vehicle, and it is made to fly, and it does the aerial surveillance of the ground for detection of intrusions on the ground. Since this drone is tethered to the command control in the vehicle, it can fly for hours together because it takes the power from the ground-based station directly through the tethered cable. Non-authorized people detector is a combination of special kind of perimeter laser sensor and a real-time locating system, wideband locating system. This is to be used for detection of presence of non-authorized people in an area in which authorized people are only supposed to be present. This is under development at DFSL, and what is shown here is a developmental concept diagram.